Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Linux Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend, and welcome to this new video. A much needed update on Solana. All right, we'll do a full update. I'll tell you what's most likely to happen, what to look out for, etc. All the scenarios. So that's what we'll do. So let's just get right into it. All right, right now, to start off with, I think Solana is still bearish. All right, and I don't think that's such a weird thing to say. I mean, if you look at Solana right now. And this is not Solana, but we'll look it up. If you look at it right now, purely technically, what you could have already seen is that we are just respecting the resistance levels, which usually is just a bearish confirmation, right? I mean, as long as you're respecting the resistance levels, you're not going to do much. However, what's interesting for Solana, and that's I'm kind of going from one thing to another, is that we have, first of all, gained quite a lot of momentum since basically in the last 12 hours or so. Momentum has increased by quite a lot, and I should actually look at it like this, so give me a moment. But no, we've seen some increases, and then most importantly, I would say, is that since yesterday morning, so this entire weekend, we've actually seen some positive spot inflows. And that's different from Bitcoin. With Bitcoin, what you see right now, and that's also explainable by the dropping Bitcoin dominance, but what you see there is that spot has still been selling off ridiculously hard. So the fact that we do have some spot inflow for Solana, that matters, that's bullish, but ultimately that does need to result into some sort of a bullish confirmation technically, all right? Because if you look at it right now, sure, there are some bullish indications, right? So that's great to have, that's bullish, all right? Because that could lead to more bullish momentum, especially if Solana against Bitcoin, which is this chart, get some sort of a breakout. All right, if this breaks out, if this does something like this, then we can actually have a very bullish Solana, even though Bitcoin isn't that strong. But it's much too early to talk about that, all right? Because if you look at the technicals, and this is also why I'm telling you that I still think Solana is bearish, we have so much resistance, all right? We have the 200 EMA, which was the main resistance on Monday and Tuesday last week. But then apart from that, we also have this trend line with the 100 EMA at 150, psychological resistance level as well. Then we have this level at 146, which is our main resistance level right now. So there's three main resistance levels, and to break above that, honestly, there's two things you need, and that's much more momentum and a relatively bullish Bitcoin still. So that is what we'll see in the next 24 hours, because it's the positive thing is that it's Sunday, a new week is starting, which very often means that new volume is getting into the markets, and that volume could be bullish. All right, we could see a ton of buys coming in over the next 24 hours. And what happens then, and this is also the main thing that Solana has to do, we have to break above 146. I think if we can break above 146 and actually hold that as support, so get a clean retest in, then I think we can get back to 158 and at least be neutral, all right? So at least kind of consolidate in this region, and that this is just a fake out. Because if we cannot do that, if we do not break above 146, and for those who are interested in that, I will give you my thoughts on what I think is most likely at the moment. But if we cannot do that, then we are just bearish. All right. Overall, the momentum has dropped down a ton in the last week, even though it's been going up a little bit in the last 12 hours or last 24 hours. And the technicals are bearish. All right, so that means that slowly we will probably fall down towards 130 and 127 again. And that's what I think is most likely, because everything we can see right now points towards us dropping down lower. Now, do I think that we can have a reversal? Yes, but there is no reversal right now. So wait for that confirmation. If we can break above 146, then it's time to switch bias. But for now, my bias at least is still that a bearish continuation is most likely. And that's what I think you need to know. All right, so if you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.